good people? Huge shout out to all Chrysler for allowing me to review the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. Today we are reviewing the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. This particular model wrapped in a brilliant black crystal pearl. For the length, 203 inches. Height, 69 inches. You have a wheelbase of 121 inches. This particular model have a remote start. Right here we are looking at a 17-inch aluminum alloyed wheel. Right here we are looking at a 3.6 liter V6 engine pushing out 287 for the torque, 266 at 4,000 RPM for the Mpg Highway, 28 city, 19. Here's the sound of it. Now we are making our way inside of the vehicle. We are greeted with black bucket seats. Right here we are looking at an analog display. On the left you have your engine tip, on the right you have your gas gauge, in the middle you have a 7-inch display. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control settings. With your radio shortcut behind the steering wheel. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here we are looking at your 8-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest Uconnect. You also have your backup camera. Right here you're looking at your shift knob. This particular model is a 9-speed automatic transmission. You have your engine start button. Right here we're looking at your screen on mute alongside your traction control, parking assist with your auto start feature. Now we're bringing it down to your door climate control. Beneath the climate control you have your aux and your USB. Now we are unveiling the cubby area. Below the cubby area you have your USB with your 12-volt outlet. You have your glove box. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your trunk and door release. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. This is very spacious. You have a button that can control each sliding door individually. You have your interior lighting. You have your cup holder area. A little fun fact, there are 8 cup holders throughout the car. With your climate control. In the clip as shown, I am 5'11" with a lot of leg room. On the key fob, you have a button that controls the sliding doors individually. Now we are making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 32.3 cubic feet, with seat area measuring at 140 cubic feet. Wow, you could put a 90-inch TV in here with golf clubs and still have room. Man.
Once again, huge shout out to whole Chrysler for allowing me to review the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.